In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get help and support in Asana. Let's start right where you work. Open Asana in your browser or launch the Asana app on your device. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the workspace where you're experiencing the issue. Having the app or tab mouse open will make it easier to try solutions as you go. Once Asana is open, look for the help icon. This is usually a question mark visible in the top bar on desktop, or you might find it under a help or support menu depending on your layout. On mobile, it could be tucked into a menu. Go ahead and click that to reveal the Help Center options. Now, use the Help Center's search to describe your issue in clear, specific terms. Short, focused phrases work best. Think custom fields not showing or invite teammate. As you type, you'll see suggested results. Skim the titles and pick the one that most closely matches what you're trying to solve. If you don't see the right match, try a different keyword or a simpler version of the problem. Open the related help article and read it through. Most Asana help articles include step-by-step guidance and visuals, and many link to short tutorials. If a video is suggested, watch it and pause as needed while you test the steps in your own project. Like, pay attention to any prerequisites mentioned in the article, like required permissions or plan specific features, so you know you're set up correctly. If you want a deeper dive or a more structured walkthrough, head to Asana Academy from the same help area. The Academy offers free courses and short lessons that show you best practices, not just quick fixes. You can also check the community forum for insights from other users. Search existing threads first. Chances are someone has asked a similar question, and read through the top answers. The forum is great for real-world tips, workarounds, and clarifications. If the help articles and tutorials don't resolve your issue, it's time to contact Asana support. Use the contact support option from the help menu. When you submit your request, clearly describe what's happening, what you expected to happen, and the steps you've already tried. If you include screenshots, make sure to remove any sensitive information. The more precise you are, the faster support can help. Keep an eye on your inbox for follow-up questions and replies. That's it. Open Asana, use the help icon to search the Help Center, learn from articles and tutorials, explore Asana Academy and the community forum, and reach out to support if you still need assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to productive work with confidence.